In this video, we listed the 5 best AliExpress drone on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. E88 Pro Drone. The E88 Pro Drone is a versatile and high-performance remote-controlled aircraft designed for both recreational and professional use. Equipped with a high-definition 4K camera, it offers impressive aerial photography and videography capabilities, capturing stunning wide-angle shots. Its foldable design enhances portability, making it convenient to carry and store, ideal for outdoor adventures or traveling. With its advanced features and stable flight performance, the E88 Pro Drone provides an exciting and immersive flying experience for users of all ages. Whether it's for hobbyists, enthusiasts, or professionals, this drone serves as an excellent choice for capturing aerial footage and enjoying the thrill of remote-controlled flight. It also makes for a unique and exciting gift option for kids who are fascinated by technology and aviation. Number 2. P15 Drone. The P15 Drone, produced by Hot Toys, represents a cutting-edge advancement in drone technology, designed specifically for professional-grade aerial photography and videography. With its impressive features, the P15 Drone stands out as a versatile tool for capturing high-quality imagery from various perspectives. One of the standout features of the P15 Drone is its 4K professional camera, which enables users to capture stunning visuals with exceptional clarity and detail. Additionally, the drone boasts an 8K GPS HD camera, further enhancing its imaging capabilities and allowing for precise navigation and positioning. Equipped with dual cameras, the P15 Drone offers users the flexibility to capture images and videos from different angles simultaneously, providing a comprehensive view of the surroundings. This feature is particularly beneficial for professionals seeking to capture dynamic and immersive footage. Moreover, the P15 Drone incorporates omnidirectional obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring safe and seamless flight operations even in crowded or confined spaces. This feature enhances the drone's maneuverability and minimizes the risk of collisions, thereby safeguarding both the equipment and the surrounding environment. Number 3. V88 Drone. The V88 Drone presents itself as a sophisticated aerial photography tool equipped with advanced features tailored for professional-grade performance. With its 8K resolution capability and 5G connectivity, it promises high-definition imagery and smooth transmission, ensuring clarity and precision in aerial photography and videography. The inclusion of GPS functionality enhances its navigation abilities, providing precise positioning and stable flight control. One notable feature of the V88 Drone is its dual-camera setup, which allows for versatile shooting perspectives and the capture of immersive aerial footage. This setup likely enables both wide-angle shots and detailed close-ups, catering to a variety of photographic needs. Moreover, the V88 Drone boasts obstacle avoidance technology, enhancing flight safety by automatically detecting and maneuvering around potential obstructions. This feature is particularly valuable for users looking to navigate complex environments or capture shots in crowded spaces. The drone's foldable design adds to its portability and convenience, allowing for easy transport and storage. This feature is especially advantageous for on-the-go photographers and videographers who require mobility and flexibility in their equipment. Furthermore, the V88 Drone's impressive range of 5,000 meters suggests reliable connectivity and extended flight capabilities, enabling users to explore vast landscapes and capture stunning aerial vistas. Number 4. L900 PRO Drone. The L900 PRO Drone is an advanced aerial photography tool designed for professional and recreational use. Equipped with a 4K HD camera, it provides high-resolution imagery and video footage, ideal for capturing stunning aerial photography and videography. The inclusion of 5G Wi-Fi FPV, first-person view, allows for real-time transmission of video to a compatible device, enabling the pilot to experience flight as if they were on board. One of the standout features of the L900 PRO is its GPS functionality, which provides precise positioning and stable flight performance. This GPS capability enhances the drone's overall usability and makes it well suited for various applications, including aerial mapping, surveying, and inspection tasks. The drone is powered by brushless motors, known for their efficiency and durability, ensuring reliable performance during flight. Additionally, its foldable design enhances portability, making it convenient to transport and store when not in use. With a control range of up to 1,200 meters, the L900 PRO offers ample distance for exploring the sky and capturing footage from a wide range of perspectives. Whether used as a professional tool for aerial cinematography or as a recreational toy for enthusiasts, this quadcopter promises an immersive and enjoyable flying experience. Number 5. L600 PRO MAX Drone. The L600 PRO MAX Drone represents a cutting-edge advancement in remote-controlled quadcopter technology. Equipped with a plethora of features, this drone promises an immersive and high-definition aerial experience for enthusiasts and professionals alike. At the forefront of its capabilities is its 4K 3-axis PTZ HD dual-camera system, which ensures stunningly clear and detailed footage from both the front and bottom perspectives. This feature is particularly valuable for photography, videography, and surveillance applications where visual clarity is paramount. One standout feature of the L600 PRO MAX Drone is its laser obstacle avoidance system. This innovative technology allows the drone to detect and navigate around obstacles in its flight path, enhancing safety and reducing the risk of collisions. This feature is especially crucial for flying in complex environments or crowded spaces. The drone is powered by brushless motors, known for their efficiency, durability, and quiet operation. This ensures smooth and stable flight performance, even in challenging weather conditions or during prolonged flights. With integrated GPS and 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, the L600 PRO MAX Drone offers precise positioning and reliable signal transmission, allowing users to control the drone with confidence over long distances. Additionally, the drone supports FPV, first-person view, enabling pilots to experience real-time flight through the drone's perspective via a compatible VR headset or mobile device.